Sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Okay, now see we are having how many sides in this question? 9 sides we are having. So that 9x is equal to 360 degree. Okay, is it correct or not? So we have 9 sides, so that 9x is equal to 360 degree. Then we are going to find the value of x. So x is equal to 360 degree divided by 9. Okay, in 9 table how many times 36? 9 4s are 36. Okay, so that 1 9 is 9, this is 4, that is 40. So x value is what here? 40 degree. Clear? So x is equal to 40 degree. So thus each exterior angle of a regular polygon with 9 sides is having 40 degree. Okay, this is the solution of that. So now we write the solution. Thus each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides is 40 degree. Clear? 9 sides is 40 degree. Okay. In the next question, they are asking about 15 sides, is it? So 15 sides have been mode. Let us take, let each exterior same the the same method. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon it has 15 sides is x. And in the same method each side is x. So now we have 15x. Okay, so in the statement, same statement, sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so is 360 degree. Now we are having 15x. 15x is equal to 360 degree. 15x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree divided by 15. Okay, now we are going to cancel that. In 5 table you all know, otherwise 3 table. Which table is easy for you, you cancel that. So in 3 table I am cancelling that. 5 3s are 15, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 0. Okay, in 5 table 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 4. So for 24 degrees. So x value is equal to 24 degree. Clear? So in each angle having 24 degree. Thus each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides is 24 degree. Okay, now in the next question, it's a 3 mark. Question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. See, how many sides does a regular polygon if measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. Okay, so in the last sum sides are given. Okay, sides we find the what is the angle of that. In this sum the side, how many sides we want to find the sides, how many sides are there அப்படின்றது வந்து நம்ம find out பண்ணோம். Here the angle is given. See, how many sides does a regular polygon have? If the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees, so the exterior angle is 24 degree, we want to find how many sides are there in this polygon அப்படின்றத find out பண்ண போறோம். Okay, the same last apply பண்ண மாதிரி தான். Total angle. First step, what is the total angle of a exterior angle of a polygon? That is 360 degree. Using that, we want to find the value. Total measure of all exterior angles. What is that? 360 degree. Very good. So now the next step. So we want to find the measure of each exterior angle. Then find out. So given is measure of each exterior angle. Measure of each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. Okay. Therefore, we want to find the number of sides. Number of sides is equal to the total angle divided by the given angle. 360 degree divided by 24 degree. Okay, so what is 360 divided by 24? You all know 12 table. 12 table cancel panna. 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 30. Okay, so 30 degree divided by 2 in 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 15 time. Okay, so the angle is 15, sorry, not 15 degree. Degree cancel item. So the sides, that is 15 sides. Okay, why? If the polygon having 15 sides. Therefore, the polygon has has 15 sides. Okay. The next question, number 4, this also a 3 mark. Okay, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degrees. See the question, how many sides? Last sum find out panna. That last sum also we find the how many sides of that polygon, but the question is different. See the question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is given? Say this question, interior angle is given. But in the last sum, question number 3, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is given? Okay, exterior angle we easily find out. We divide 360 divided by that exterior angle. But here the interior angle is given. So in the first step, we want to find the exterior angle. So total angle minus interior angle apply பண்ணும்போது we get the exterior angle. What is the total angle of a regular polygon? 360 degree. Very good. 360 degree minus 165 apply பண்ணும்போது we get the exterior angle. Okay, so that angle 360 divided by that angle apply பண்ணும்போது we get easily what is the sides of a polygon அப்படின்றது. Okay, clear? Now write total measure of measure of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Total measure of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So given is measure of, where it is, measure of each interior angle. Okay, measure of each interior angle is equal to 165 degree. Measure of each interior angle is equal to 165 degree. Clear? Now measure of each exterior angle, right? Measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree minus 165 degree. Okay, so 360 minus 165 apply பண்ணும்போது what we get? So see, measure of each interior angle is 165 degree. So this is an example of that. Suppose it is a diagram like this. It is an interior angle. This is an interior angle. It is an exterior angle. Okay, interior angle is 165 degree. How can we find the exterior angle? That is, it's a linear pair. So 180 minus 165. Okay, like this we are going to find the exterior angle. So this is not 360. Here we write 180 degree. Okay, 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. Okay, so measure of each exterior angle is 15 degree. Now we are going to find the number of sides. Therefore, the number of sides is equal to, what is the total angle is 360 degree divided by 15 degree. Okay, 360 degree divided by 15. We are going to cancel that. In a 3 table, 5 3s are 15, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 0. Okay, now in 5 table, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 24, 4 5s are 20. So 24 sides. Clear? So the number of sides is, so if exterior angle is given, you directly divide 360 degree divided by the given angle. But suppose the interior angle is given, we are going to find the exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus the given interior angle. Subtract பண்ணும்போது we get the exterior angle. Afterwards we are going to find the number of sides. That is 360 degree divided by the exterior angle. So divide பண்ணும்போது we get what is the number of side of that அப்படின்ட்டு find out பண்ணிடலாம். Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6a part. What is the minimum? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So in a regular polygon, what is the minimum interior angle அப்படின்றத find out பண்ணணும். Why? What is the reason of that? Next question, what is the maximum exterior angle? Maximum exterior, minimum interior and maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. Okay, so understand the question. So what is the minimum interior angle and what is the maximum exterior angle possible in the regular polygon? அப்படின்றதான் question. Okay, what is the meaning of regular polygon? If a polygon having a equiangular and equal sides அப்படின்னா it is called a regular polygon. Okay. We are taking the equal, what is the interior in the first question, what is the interior angle of a regular polygon is asking. So we will take the example of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle having all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Okay, so since each angle of an equilateral triangle. What is the equilateral triangle angle? Each angle is what? 60 degree. Very good. Equilateral triangle is 60 degree. 60 plus 60 plus 60, that is 180 degree totally வந்துருச்சா. So each angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. That also. Okay. An equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Therefore, minimum. So the question is minimum exterior angle asking. Okay. Therefore, minimum interior angle is 60 degree for a regular polygon. Okay. The next subdivision B. So since minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is நம்ம என்ன find out பண்ணிருக்கோம் 60 degree ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். Okay, using that we are going to find the maximum exterior என்ன அப்படின்றது பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, since minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree. Okay. Therefore, each exterior angle of a regular polygon. So what we have to do? We are going to subtract 60 degree from 180 degree. Okay, so exterior find out பண்றதுக்கு we subtract 180 minus the interior angle. So 180 degree minus 60 degree is 20 degree. 120 degree. Okay, so 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. This is the maximum exterior angle. This is a question they are asking. What is the maximum exterior angle? This is the maximum exterior angle of a polygon. Okay, therefore possible maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 120 degree. Okay, so in this class we are going to find if the angle is given அப்படின்னா we find the sides. How many sides are there in a polygon அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். Then suppose the sides are given அப்படின்னா we find the angles. How many angles are there in a polygon. So these types of sums we are work out today. So now your homework part. Today your homework is do page 27. That is a continuation of in the last homework is you complete first part 1 in worksheet 21. Now you complete page 27 worksheet number 21. The sums are 2, 3, 4. Already you have completed the first part in this worksheet. Okay. So now you are going to complete the remaining part. Practice workbook. Okay, complete page 27, worksheet number 21, second, third and fourth part in your practice workbook. Okay, this is your homework, students. Okay, thank you.